Good morning all. This is AJU from OWERRI. Today is the 28th. This is me heading to the farm this morning. Quite, like usual. We don't joke with our water. We sanitize our leg first. Well, I know this thing now one of the cats where they come chop my fowl. I caught the cat last year, skinned it alive and kept the body here for others to see and not try to near my pen again. Hello guys. Good morning boys. Good morning sir. Good morning boys. You know my voice, everybody is running. The water is finished completely. I know they are very thirsty. Everybody run come towards me. I'm gonna wait till I put water for me. Wanna no verse, but on a drink, that was about almost 200 liters yesterday. 200 liters of water totally consumed. Although there was light throughout the night, I suspect that was the reason. So we were weighing them this morning without wasting time. Before they eat and drink, we just weigh them to know their weight. So have a nice day. See you later. Bye.